Hi everyone and welcome to Lead Prosper. Today we're going to walk you through setting up the new TrustedForm v4 integration within your Lead Prosper account. TrustedForm is a service that helps verify the legitimacy of leads by using tamper-proof certificates. This integration ensures that the data you receive from your campaigns is accurate and reliable. So let's jump right in. First things first, we need to log into your Lead Prosper account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner and select Integrations. Once you're in your integration settings, you're going to scroll down until you find TrustedForm v4. Click on Configure to begin the setup process. In order to find this API key, you'll need to log into your active prospect account. Click Configure to set up the integration. This will prompt you to enter an API key, which you'll need your active prospect account to access. So now let's switch over to your active prospect account. Once you switch over to your active prospect account, you'll need to launch the TrustedForm product. Once you've opened up TrustedForm, navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find your API key, the API version that you're using, and the products that pertain to your account. If you'd like to use the additional filtering options offered by Insights, you'll need to have the feature activated on your TrustedForm account. If you don't currently have Insights and would like to use it, reach out to your TrustedForm representative to get it enabled. Go ahead and copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in your Lead Prosper account. Click Enable to complete the initial TrustedForm v4 setup across your entire account. It's important to note that you'll still need to enable TrustedForm version 4 on a campaign-by-campaign basis across your account. In order to enable TrustedForm v4 on a specific campaign, let's first navigate to one of your campaigns. Scroll down to the third-party integration section and click TrustedForm v4. This will open a pop-up window where you can configure TrustedForm v4 for this particular campaign. To get started, the first step is to set up your TrustedForm certificate URL. Next, you'll see an option labeled Skip Validation if required fields not present. This allows leads to pass through even if they don't have a TrustedForm certificate URL.
This might be useful if you're using Journia or if the buyer for this campaign doesn't require TrustedForm verification.
However, if you want every lead to have a TrustedForm certificate URL, keep this field set to No. There's a new requirement in TrustedForm v4 where you need to map either the email or phone number field. This ensures that the phone number or email address entered on the form matches the data within the TrustedForm certificate URL. This helps prevent fraudulent activity. The process we've covered so far ensures that your TrustedForm certificate is valid even if you're not using the Insights feature. However, if you do have the Insights feature enabled, there are some additional configurations that you can set up. Having Insights enabled allows you to verify the TrustedForm certificate against 5 different data points. You can verify against lead age, which allows you to filter out certificates that are older than a certain number of days. For example, if you wanted to filter out all leads that were greater than 2 hours old, you would put in 120 into this section. This would disqualify all leads submitted beyond that 2-hour time frame. You can also set a minimum time spent on the page, and any leads who fall outside that range will not be included. This helps filter out potential spam or bot responses. So for example, you can input 10 seconds so that anyone that spent less than 10 seconds on this page is automatically disqualified. Form input method allows you to filter out leads based on how they filled out the form. You can choose to exclude leads that used autofill, paste, typing, pre-populated, or any other method that you choose. Landing page domain allows you to confirm that the landing page domain matches the one listed in the TrustedForm field certificate. And consumer IP address allows you to verify if the person's IP address matches the one in the TrustedForm certificate. Once you've configured your TrustedForm v4 certificate, click Save. It's important to note that if you choose to use any of these additional filtering options, you'll need to make all corresponding fields in your campaign settings required. This ensures that even if the field values are empty, they'll still be checked against the filters and disqualified if necessary. Once you've finished configuring your desired settings, go ahead and save them. Now your campaign will be using the new TrustedForm v4 specifications. Remember, you'll need to repeat this configuration process for each campaign where you want to utilize TrustedForm v4. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this video helped you understand how to set up the TrustedForm v4 integration within your Lead Prosper account. If you have any further questions, be sure to leave a comment or check out our support chat in your Lead Prosper dashboard.